Hello friends and welcome to the Architecture Enthusiast. Adolph Loos, a seminal figure in modern architecture, significantly influenced the trajectory of modernist design with his groundbreaking approach and radical philosophies. Renowned for his stark opposition to the ornamental and decorative styles prevalent in the early 20th century, Loos championed a new architectural ethos centered on functionality, simplicity, and material honesty, profoundly impacting the field of architecture. Loos' design philosophy was deeply rooted in the belief that architectural beauty and functionality stemmed from simplicity and utility rather than ornate decoration. He saw excessive ornamentation as a symbol of cultural decadence, advocating instead for the purity of form and clarity in spatial organization. This approach went beyond stylistic preferences, reflecting his broader views on society and culture. He envisioned the architect's role as creating spaces that were fundamentally rooted in their purpose, emphasizing the importance of practical and utilitarian design. At the heart of Loos' architectural practice was the innovative concept of rond-plan, a novel approach to spatial organization that emphasized interconnected and flowing spaces within a structure. Instead of designing buildings as a series of separate floors or rooms, Loos saw them as cohesive wholes. He defined spaces by their function and relationship to each other, allowing for a dynamic and organic use of space. This method broke away from the rigid conventions of traditional design, with varying ceiling heights and sizes creating a rich spatial experience. Loos' approach to materials was equally revolutionary. He advocated for using materials in their natural, unadorned state, emphasizing their textural and tactile qualities. This material honesty was more than an aesthetic choice, it was part of his belief in authenticity and design. By employing materials like stone, wood, and marble for their inherent properties, Loos created spaces that were not only visually striking but also rich in sensory experience. His use of vertical space and natural light within his buildings was another innovative aspect of his design. Loos manipulated ceiling heights and spatial volumes to create movement and dynamism. The strategic use of natural light was key in defining the ambience and functionality of the spaces. The interplay of light and shadow through varied volumes enhanced the spatial experience, adding depth to the architectural narrative. The impact of Adolph Loos on modern architecture is profound. His rejection of ornamentation and focus on the functionality and experience of space represented a fundamental shift in architectural thought. He was a pioneer in advocating a minimalist, functional approach to design, laying the foundation for the modernist movement. His ideas challenged traditional architectural practices, encouraging architects to rethink the role of space, materials, and form. In summary, Adolph Loos' contributions to modern architecture were transformative and enduring. His emphasis on spatial experience, material honesty, and functional design reshaped the architectural landscape. His legacy continues to inspire and influence contemporary architectural practice, serving as a testament to the enduring power and relevance of his architectural philosophy. Loos' work remains a touchstone in discussions about the essence of modern architecture and the architect's role in shaping human experience through the built environment.